we've got this, which I bought, which is quite unusual. I've never seen this before, the Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy television series, all in one DVD thing. And we've got the extras DVD here. It's quite badly scratched, but I'm not so worried about the extras DVD. The one I wanted really is just to watch the series, and that's quite badly scratched. I've already had a go at it with some sodium bicarbonate to try and just get the surface more even, because it was very bad. But now what we're going to do is we're going to get some toothpaste and a piece of felt, and we're going to go over it with that, and we'll see how different it looks afterwards. And yeah, so we've been using just felt and toothpaste, and so we can cut from the before to the after and see what it looks like. I've had a go at the original disc now, but I'm going to just show you. Here's the extras disc, and I don't normally watch the extras discs on things, but with this I think I'd quite like to, because remember they had, like, say, for People Box's head and stuff like that. They showed you how they did stuff. So this is the before, and we're going to take some toothpaste and a piece of felt, and we're going to go around it about that much for the whole disc, and we're just going to polish it with that, with the piece of felt, and then we're going to progressively just use clean pieces of felt. So let's go. So now that we've got the toothpaste on, I'm going to show you how you clean it. Basically, you're making circles where the diameter of the circle is that, and you're just going round and around and around, and depending on how bad the damage is. But what you really want to do is just keep going around until the toothpaste has kind of disappeared. But toothpaste is so fine that it will smoothen the surface. So we're going to keep doing this for a bit longer. And you see it starts to take on this silky appearance. That's not going to go until you add water, which you can do just by breathing on it, or you can actually spit on it. You've got to pay a bit of attention to the outer edge here. It depends how long the DVD is, because the DVD starts in the middle and works its way out to the edge. So it may be that the outer edge doesn't matter. You can usually see where the data comes to. But this centre is much, much more important, because the first part of the track is the table of contents. And if that has a scratch, then your DVD player won't read the table of contents and it won't be able to play the DVD at all. That's usually what's happened. When a DVD is completely unplayable, it's usually a scratch near the centre. So I thought maybe you had to just do the same direction, but now I'm going anti-clockwise, as you see, and I started by going clockwise like that. I think as long as you do a whole load of them in both directions, I think it's good, it's okay. So we're going to breathe on it now, and you'll see the difference. See how much easier it is suddenly to go on it. Look at that. And now we can actually go right the way around. Because that way you are evenly distributing your work. So we're on cloth number 2 here. Pressing quite hard. But this damage, I don't know if this damage will be repairable. We will see. We're going to go to cloth number 3 now. We don't want this sticky toothpaste inside our DVD player. That would not be good. We need to remove this residue here. Okay, so here we've got the outside of the disc, the label side as I called it, which didn't put any toothpaste on, so it's just been polished with the residue of what was on my sticky fingers, and that's come out quite nice. And we'll probably give this a final wipe with a lens wipe or something before we try and play it. So here's the after now. Here's the after. I'm going to have the light on. So here again, here's the after of this disc. Doesn't look a lot different, but it has had a clean.